Welcome to AnalyzerInstruments YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to check how to do manual calibration for ABB Advanced Optima AO2000 model. So this is the rack mount analyzer and this is the wall mount model. So this is a model URAS 14 model which we are using here, and this calibration procedure will be varied from the original calibration procedure as in the manual. Kindly refer to the user manual for more information on calibration and working procedure. And most important, before starting the calibration, make sure your zero cylinder is open and all the associated valves are open for the calibration. Ensure all the safety precautions are done properly. So this is how your home screen looks like. So this URAS 14, now we are using CO2 for the calibration. CO2 is the measuring component. Now we will check how to do the zero calibration. So press the menu soft key. Once you press the menu soft key, the screen will be appearing like this. So in this menu, go to calibrate, use the up and down soft key and go to calibrate, press enter. This is the enter soft key, so press enter. Once you get to the calibration menu, so you can see it is either manual calibration or auto calibration. Go to the manual calibration, select manual calibration and press enter. This is the soft key for enter. Once you enter the manual calibration menu, so we can see the three menus are available: zero gas, span gas and cal cell. So in this video we are going to see how to do the zero gas calibration. The span gas calibration and cal gas calibration we will be discussing in the upcoming videos. So go to the zero gas, press enter. Once you see this menu, you have to enter the test gas concentration. It will be 0 normally. So if you want to enter the values, clear, press clear and enter the values using the numeric keyboard and press enter. So once your reading are stable, and the 0 is been flashed for some time, and when you are sure it has been 0 flashed and everything has been done properly, when you are sure, then press enter menu. If you are not sure, please don't press the enter menu. Wait for the zero analyzer to get stable and press the enter menu. Once you press enter, you can see the pop-up menu like calibration is running, please wait. After this one, you can see the calibration has been accepted now. If your drift value is more than 2% of the analyzer range, it will not accept the zero calibration. If you force to do the calibration, you will get the drift alarm. So make sure you are calibrated properly. If you are satisfied, and then press enter. If you are not satisfied, or your analyzer drift is more than 2%, do not press enter at this time. If you press enter, it will be showing the drift in the alarm. So do not press enter. If you press enter by mistakenly, even though in the drift, so we have to undo the calibration. So in the next upcoming videos, we will see how to undo the lost calibration and basic calibration procedures. We will be looking into that one in later upcoming videos. Please stay tuned to us for the more upcoming videos. Once you press enter, you can see the saving the new calibration factor. So your calibration has been accepted. So once this one appears, your calibration is accepted, and then you can see the main menu for the manual calibration. Once you see the main menu, you can press measure. This soft key for measure, can press this one to come to the home menu. So after the calibration, everything looks normal. Thank you for watching the Analyzer Instrument video. Please stay tuned in our channel for more videos like this. Please support us, subscribe to the Analyzer Instrument YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.